Hi guys, this is my once again from Qgis, and today I will take you through one of the numerous tools that you have in Qgis to analyze and manipulate your spatial data set. So we're talking about the clip tool. I will practically take you through how to use the clip in Qgis. So basically, the tool just allow you to extract a particular area of interest from your raster data. So let's assume I'm in Nigeria and I have a digital elevation model data for the whole of Nigeria, and I'm interested in just a particular state, probably Lagos State. So since I have my Lagos State as a polygon feature in Qgis as a vector data, with the clip tool I can actually extract the raster data specifying Lagos State as my area of what interest. So the tool is very vital in analyzing your data set. So please, if you want to see how I'm going to do this, please stay tuned to the end of the video. So guys, here we are in Qgis interface. I have two different data, one of which is vector data showing the Lagos State boundary down here, and then we have the raster data, which is a SRTM data. That's a topography data showing where you can derive elevation from it. You can derive your contour line using this digital elevation data, this DEM data. So yeah, let's assume you are actually carrying out a project where you actually need to show the DEM data for Lagos State. So what you can do, having here you have the whole of Nigeria from the data source. So what you can use is to use the clip functionality in Qgis. So where you can access that functionality is just go to your processing toolbox. I have it typed already, clip raster. So I had raster. The thing is, if you just use on clip and click on enter, so you have different options. So you can see I recently used this. You can see vector. Under vector, you can use the clip to actually extract information from a vector data. But here, once actually clip to an area of interest from a raster data. So here, you are not using the clip functionality. We are going to go down to the GDR raster extraction, clip raster by max layer or clip raster by extent. So I'm going to quickly do the two to see the differences between clipping by extent and clipping by max layer. So let me use the first one by extent. So you double click. So here you have the window to specify your parameters. So what layer are you extracting from? Of course, is the DEM data, is the raster data. Then what extent are you clipping the data? What extent are you specifying? So here you have the option to calculate from layer, or use map canvas extent, or draw from canvas. So meaning draw, you can actually use your freehand to draw your area of interest. But we have a vector layer already, so I'm going to use calculate from layer. So I'm going to use boundary states. This asks for Lagos States. Okay. So as I specify no data value to output bands, you might leave this as default, or let's just leave it as default and click on run. Okay. So guys, if I deactivate this layer, so you can see, let me bring it down. Let me reorder it first. So now you can see by extent it takes into cognizance the horizontal extent of our layer and the vertical extent of our layer. But what about you actually want to clip this to actually specify the boundary, the outline of Lagos State? You don't want the extra data using the extent option. So here what you can do is use the clip raster by max layer. So let's try that. So you can see we are not using the clip data, we are using the DEM data here. So what layer are you using to max? So we are using the state boundary. So here you can specify your coordinate system. Let me just leave it as WGS and then click on run. So that's done. So if I deactivate this layer, you can select this layer. Now you can see using the click by raster and the max layer, you actually get a defined data, new data showing the defined boundary of Lagos State. So guys, that's how you clip your raster data using the clip functionality in QGIS. See you later. So thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. I bet you learned one or two things from the lesson. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, put on the notification button, and watch out for more educative videos. See you guys next time.